So if you guys are wondering what this shit is doing to the NPC normies that live down here, check this shit out.
Fucking stuff! Get out of my fucking city!
But the thing is,
Get out of my fucking city! Hey, fuck you!
there's a lot.
What fucking freedom have you lost? What freedom have you lost? Tell me a freedom you've lost. I lost my mind because I haven't slept in 5 fucking days.
I fucking hear it. And it's not even horn. I love you. It's the diesel engine.
It's enough to drive a fucking person crazy.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
But I wanted to stop. Hey, Chris. Fucking leave it. I wanted to stop.
It has to fucking stop.
Then it stops when the government lifts the mandates.
You fucking idiot! The mandates are provincial, not federal! The mandates! If you're mad about wearing a mask or getting a fucking vaccine, go talk to Doug Ford!
Okay, well, you know what?
The fucking Prime Minister has nothing to do with this!
Actually, he does.
Do you know anything about civics?
Yes, I do, because didn't the federal government make vaccine mandates for all federal employees?
No,
and all federal...
It's a requirement for your fucking job!
Yeah, exactly. That's part of the mandates, man.
Karen! Well, that's a choice!
It's not a choice, you
They lost their job.
The honking will continue until freedom improves. Simple as that. Simple as that.
Fuck you!
Fuck me? Fuck you.
You!
Join us.
Who said we have no right in the country?
I do want to listen. But I've lost my fucking patience.
These guys can do it.
This is too much.
The honking will continue until freedom improves. I got that footage myself, and that's what your donos are going to, guys. Keeping me here so I can bring you that content. You'll love to see it.